Here's a video on how to set rule-based action while using templates for user creation in ADManager Plus. Log on to ADManager Plus and click on the AD Management tab. Under the User Management section, click on User Creation Templates. Click on Create New Template. Enter the template name. Click on Creation Rules. Here, you can set user creation rules that allow you to assign values to fields without any conditions or after validating the given conditions. For instance, we would like to create a user such that if the user belongs to the sales department, then he must be placed in the sales OU. For this, click on the Create New Rule button. Click on Add Conditions option. Under the Select Field option, select the Department option. Set the department to the Sales Department. Under the Assign Values column, set the Select field to the Select Container option. Set the container to the Sales OU and click on OK. Click on Save Template. Let us now attempt to create a user using the Sample 3 template. Click on the AD Management tab. Under the User Management section, click on Create Single User. Change the selected template to the Sample 3 template and click on OK. Enter the details of the user. As you can see, the value of the container field is set to the user's container by default. Click on the Contact tab. Set the department field to the Sales Department. As soon as we enter Sales in the Department field, the OU changes to the Sales OU.